All right, so we got this refrigerator today, and it's bigger than I thought it was, which is good. And so it's right next to my son's desk, and we got it a lot faster than I thought we would. And so you open it, and it's nice and big. Oh my gosh, as soon as we turned it on, it immediately got cold. It was amazing. And it has a little temperature gauge there. You can hear it. I'm just gonna be quiet for a second so you can hear it. That's with it open. So with the refrigerator door, you kind of have to, like, at least with mine, you kind of have to push it in and then open it. Let's see if I can. Oh, wait, I did that backwards. Okay. And then open it, and then you have these things in here. So I'm just going to show you why you have to kind of push it in. See, like when you look at this, it's really close to the top. So when you go to open it, it actually hits the top. I'm not sure why. It's not really a big deal to me though. So I just give it a little push in and then open it. It could be just to keep it colder. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't affect anything. It's very cold. Yeah, it's great. So yeah, we're very, very, very happy, and great review. Give it a 5 stars for sure. Okay.
And so I purchased the refrigerator and put it up high. And literally, as you can see, when I say this is perfect, this is great for any bedroom. Definitely will be totally happy with that.
Everything's cold.